Sir, good evening, sir, once again. Coming to the continuation of the previous classes, just now classes, disposal of scrap and trade waste we have to see. Like, for example, the cotton waste, used cotton waste, or soaked cotton waste, or the waste grease, used oil, as per the PCP concerns, you have to dispose to the authorized agencies where the incineration can take in place. Like biomedical waste, like for example, W, within 48 hours, they have to lift the all the biomedical waste from the OCC center, occupational center. Then it is shifted to the incinerators. Like this, we have to see the dispose the hazardous waste or the non-hazardous waste, and we have to see the as per the CFO consent conditions, or we can say Happy Factories Act 1948, 1948, as well the Happy Factories Rules 1950 also we have to see. Regular collection is important. Regularly remove waste from work areas to prevent clutter, and the where the proper containers use designated bins for different types of waste and to ensure the correct disposal, where the paint drums or the carboys or the syntax tanks or the loose materials are handled by the containers, properly it should be given some designated points, and thereby identification traceability will be important and taken care of the easy stacking and easy unstacking also. Safe handling, lift heavy scrap carefully to avoid back injuries. As already we have discussed in the ergonomics, you have to see that lift heavy scrap where the manually taken care of, or by the any lifting cranes or the overhead cranes will be used. Is also taken care of the manually and the as well as the mechanically also will be disposal of the scrap and trade waste. During plant layouts itself, we have to plan in such a way. Prevention of spillages, already we have discussed. We have to secure containers and spill kits readily available, and maintenance equipment of these things will be prevented of the spillages. Making of aisles, like for example, the corridors, walkways, gangways, and the pedestrians ways and all, clear signages, floor markings, lighting is very important. For example, clear your signage, we can say, use visible markings, clearly define aisles, designed work areas, and the potential hazards, and use the contrasting colors and art tape to mark walkways and see the safety. See, contrasting colors in the sense of easy identification, not for example radium colors and all these things. Only radium colors, while the light falls on the directions on the vehicles, definitely the glaring will be taken care of. That in that way, we can use the colors in such a way. Color coding all will be discussed in the next slides. The lighting is important. The luminex is also very important, and the next section will be coming in the lighting and illumination also. Illumination also will be taken care of. Ensure adequate lighting in all work areas, enhance visibility. You have to see that it should not be any dark or any ambiguity to identify the materials or traceability or stacking or unstacking. You have to see that lighting is also very important to taken care of to avoid the risk occurs. The color code is one of the important area. Use of color as an aid for good housekeeping. Housekeeping contests, agree we have to uh, uh, contests will be conducted during the among the employees. Cleaning methods, employee assignment, and the inspections, checklists, and benefits of good housekeeping. Here, the before going to the key aspects of color ads, color coding is a powerful tool for promoting good housekeeping by visually identify different cleaning areas, tasks, equipments, minimizing confusion and ensuring consistent cleaning practices across staff, often using standardized system like the one recommended by the British Institute BACSC. That means British Institute of Cleaning Service. We are talking about the not pipeline color coding. It's cleaning methods we called as. We will discuss in the next slides also in figures wise and all these things. Where which color we have to use for the floor cleaning and all this. Where different colors represents different cleaning categories. This visual cue helps employees quickly understand which cleaning is supplies to use for which area, each area, leading to the overall cleanliness. Because we have to see that the cleaning class mop sticks also we have to see that in properly as per the standards we have to use. But normally some of the industries are not following the only pipeline coding will be maintained, but the cleaning practices with the color coding is not experienced in of the most of the industries. But the cleaning also will be taken in the color coding. For example, key aspects of using color as an aid for good housekeeping here is the color coded cleaning cloths or mop sticks. We can say assign specific colors to different cleaning tasks like floor mopping, glass cleaning, bathroom sanitation, etc., allowing staff to easily grab the correct tool for the correct job. If you identify the color codes for the cleaning methods also, the people are feeling wealthy and healthy also while using the critchy houses like the floor moppings, the glass cleaning, bathroom sanitations also will be very healthy and wealthy also will be taken and user friendly will be taken care of. What are the color codes of the cleaning methods? If you see this key aspects of using color coded cleaning class map assign specific colors to different cleaning tasks like floor mopping, glass cleaning as I told, bathroom sanitation. These are the color codes. Windows, mirrors, doors, always the blue. And the here is the food preparation areas and general areas is somewhat this color green. And then red is bathrooms and hazardous areas. And wood and metal polishing will be yellow like this. Like so how to
Sir,
use the
which
color.
type of industry,
Pardon, sir.
sir,
Lakshmidas
which
garu,
of
tell me.
industry use the, yeah, which type of industry this type of
Any,
cloths
any,
use?
any, any chemical.
In our industry, such things are not used. Only
That's
for
what I'm saying,
chemical.
sir. Usually, chemicals, their cleaning method, they are not using this, sir. I agree with you. That's what initially I told. Only pipeline, the color codes are maintaining, but the cleaning methods are not maintaining. Even doesn't know also some of the people. I'm sorry to tell you. That's why I'm exposing this to you people to introduce in your organizations. This is only color coded cleaning method. There is a some the technical team is also there. I will tell you in the next slides because you, as you said, 100% is right, Lakshmi Das garu. People are not at all using this standard. I'm sorry to say. Only the pipe color codes is there. Definitely they are using, and some of the color codes are they're not using. That's different. The radium color directions will be there, but this technology is not there, sir. Not using by organization. But the standard says color coded cleaning cloths. Used, that means use red cloths, mops, and buckets in washrooms, bathrooms, hazardous areas. Use blue cloths, mops, that means floor cleaning, buckets in general low risk areas. Use green cloths, mopping, cleaning the floors, and use buckets in food preparation and the consumption areas. Where the consumption means human consumption. Where they use yellow cloths, mops, that means cleaning up floors, buckets in clinical settings, where the OHC settings. See, clearly defined. For example, if you see the this This is only Google says. I'm not created by own. This is different from the color code of the pipelines. If you see the color code, see, for example, there are the lot of pipe color code standing. Standard is something is there here. IS 2379 1990. Recently, it is revised on 2020. That is also we'll discuss. The pipeline see, but here the almost 90% of the organizations is maintaining this color code. I can say the 10% yet to be, but these are the color codes already as per the Factories Act 1948 as well as the AP Factories Rule 1950 told already. It was discussed. It was already
Sir,
said.
same, same Factory Act rules used in chemical industry. That's why they use a different type of colors of cloth.
Son, I'm sorry. This is given by the color coding class of the through the standard only. They have to use the different colors also, but they have to demonstrate in the ordination itself in SOP. So suppose if you accordingly they will maintain this cleaning class and all as per this, definitely they have to demonstrate in their SOPs and OCPs, that is operation control procedures as well as the SOPs. The sanitary inspection will be taken care of, or the welfare department will look after all these things. Otherwise, it's very difficult to maintain. See where the windows, mirrors, and all. If you are not maintain, say for example, if you take the OSC, normal the OSC in an occupational center, normal chemicals are used in the like floor cleaning and all. It will not be helpful. The spirit we have to use and the Dettol we have to use. All the rooms are Dettol. We cannot. Like this, we have to maintain some cleanly healthiness to maintain the good housekeeping and healthy and wealthy of the people. These are not mandatory, but as per the Factories Act, this is also mentioned color coded cleaning class and month in the tool. That means Factories Act also it is mentioned and Factories rules also it is mentioned, sir. They like that pipeline coding, everybody knows flammable, discolor, combustible, toxic, corrosive, fire quenching, other water and steam and all, compressed air. Like this many. Underground utility color code also will be taken care of. Electrical power cables and all. Underground is this color is to be maintained, and you have to display this color code system in the also in the notice board or in the display boards wherever the pipelines are the entrance of the organization, like a policy and all these things will be displayed, but the color code inside the organization you have to display the color code system and all, therefore easily identification will be there. The standard here is IS 2379. The provides for a ground color and colored brand on piping identical material. Color bands of 25 mm to 100 mm width is there. That means there is a gap between the maintenance of this display boards also. Locations such as battery limits, interactions, near walls, at walls, starting terminating points and all. The Indian standard where it is point is called IS 2379 1990. It was recently 2020. It was revised. The meaning here is this standard specifies the color coding for various types of pipelines based on the fluids they carry. Normally, it is used for the chemical industries only, but pharma industry also same color coding will be there. But pharmas having the different standards are there, they can use this standard, or they may use the dedicated standard for the pharma also they can use it. Here the standard IS number is I3 2379 1990. They established, revised in 2020. Title is Pipelines Identification Color Coding First Revision. Number of revision is first revision only. This is the updated one, 2020. This is technical department, mechanical engineering department has to taken care of depending upon the organizational culture, depending upon the organizational practices, and depending upon the organization chart, it will be taken care of. The technical committee where we called as MED 17, chemical engineering plants uh, and related ergonomics, we can say the technical committee we called as MED 17 is not described, it is only in the standard, it speaks only technical committee, which is called as a medical, some enclosement disability is there, but this is MED 17 is the name designated as a technical committee within the BAS responsible for developing and maintaining this standard. The technical committee will taken care of all this. That's why it is. What does the MID 17 do? MID 17, the technical committee in a pipeline color coding refers to the technical committee responsible for the Indian standard IS 2379-2020, which defines the color code for identifying different types of pipelines, specifically falling under the chemical engineering plants related equipment, like is said here, the category within Bureau of Indian Standard. Normally, most of the chemical engineering plants and related equipment will be followed this color code system, as we already discussed this. Okay, coming to this, the color coding, it helps anything. Yes, area identification is there. Use colored markers or tape to designate specific cleaning zones within a facility, making it clear where each employee should focus their cleaning efforts. Here, the area identification is very important. Here is we have to see that which area and which color and which material is going on. While attending the flange joints, while attending the pipe leakages and all, we have to see that isolation will be taken care of. At the work at heights only, it will be taken care of the all the pipelines, and the workers is also educated which color is meant for what type of material will be handled. That's why use colored markers or tape designated specific cleaning zone. Therefore, the employee will be taken care of. The any risks are there, it will be taken care of all these things. So waste disposal bins also will be color coded bins. Like for example, here in the municipal corporation is already told the dry waste and moisture waste and all, green and yellow or red hazardous waste, like this they are defined like this as the pollution control board designated. That is also you have to see that not only the pipelines, not only the cloths where the cleaning is there, but also the waste bins, disposal bins, like medical biomedical waste. As per the biomedical waste handling methods 2008 standard, as per the this manufacture of hazardous waste manual hazardous waste manufacturing of hazardous waste and the transboundary rules 2016, we have to see the disposal of the all the waste disposal, either the hazardous waste or the non-hazardous waste. It clearly demonstrated, like therefore, for easy identification of the people to make use of it. For example, color-coded bins for different waste types. Example, paper, plastic, recycling can encourage here. Very important. Why recycling is telling? That's why the cotton waste, soaked cotton waste, and other things will not be again used oil and all will not be mentioned here. The recycling it is taken care of. Paper or plastic. Of course, plastic is definitely the avoided is there, but only the some thickness will be allowed, and the some eco-friendly plastic only will be allowed. Other plastics will not be allowed because they are banned. Definitely banned. They encourage proper waste of segregation also. Once you arrange this disposal bins in color code, definitely people are disciplining using that waste bins along with the area and where we put the waste disposals also very important. The designated place also will be important, and where it is placed also important. That's why area identification also will be important. And housekeeping contest here is, what is housekeeping contents here is, organize a periodical cleaning competitions between the teams or individuals, or incentivize high standards of cleanliness and promote a friendly rivalry. Because we have to see that among the employees, we have to see that the competency will be maintained during the housekeeping maintenance and all, like in Republic Day 26th or January 26th or the March 4th, we award the awardees and all. Maintaining the regular competitions, not only yearly, we have to, at least we have to see that every half hourly or every quarterly, if we maintain all process department in one angle, all maintenance department in one angle, all civil engineering department. Like this, we have to the group wise, process wise, maintenance wise, electrical wise. Like this, they have to, because the process and electrical we cannot compare in the housekeeping. They have to Electrical Act 2003 guidelines is different. Here the manufacturing hazardous waste handling is different. That's why the process wise departments are different, and the OCC is different, as well as the maintenance is different. Like this, we have to differentiate all the employees, and regular periodic cleaning competitions between the teams or the individuals, we can say. Individuals in the sense of not the man to man, process to process department. Teams means whole organization. Like this, to incentivize, that means to promote the incentives, increments, and other what is the thing be taken care of, promotion of the, or your practices will be promote user friendly. uh, Point system is very important. Implement point system based on specific cleaning tasks and areas to track progress and identify areas needing improvement. The point system is a very broad meaning here. It is giving idea the where they implement a point system based on specific cleaning tasks. See, if the area is cleaning is there, nearby the disposal bin is there. Suppose once the cleaning is over, they taken all the disposal waste and traveling towards 2 kilometers and all, there be dumping, it is creating unnecessary spillages. The point system will be maintained. That means the mobile cleaning system, mobile waste gathering system, mobile waste bin system. Therefore, where the cleanings are there, the bin will be there. It will wheels. It is having wheels. It will keep there. I mean, immediately the cleaning employee will be dumped it immediately with the wheels. That will be taken care of the destination points. See, cleaning is one place and the destination point is different. So all the way he has to carry. During the carrying, it will be definitely spillage will be taken. The spill control will not be taken care of, and the cleaning is unattended. The avoid. I mean, definitely it will be accidents to occur and near miss to happen, and thereby the company image will be damaged. That's why the point system is very important. They implement a point system based on specific cleaning task and the areas to track progress and identify areas needing improvement. Here, nearby cleaning that waste bins to be arranged with the mobile system and all. Recognition and rewards, where the awardees are the winners to be given publicly. January 26th, we have to conduct in an organization a meeting is there, or March 4th we have to call the family members of employees, and publicly means that is the acknowledged reward outstanding cleaning performance with the certificates, bonuses, and other incentives will be having the under comes under the recognition and the rewards. These are the housekeeping contents will be encouraged. One of the cultural factors with regard to the plant design and housekeeping to maintain the morale of the employee. Not only morale, but encouraging the employee is also very useful. These things are there. Cleaning methods already known. but standard cleaning procedure, rotating cleaning schedule, and the deep cleaning protocols is also very important. What do you mean by standard cleaning? Means establish a clear guidelines for cleaning each area, including the frequency, cleaning agents, and the proper techniques to ensure the consistency. If it normally, if you see the crèches or rest houses or the bathrooms or the urinals and all, laboratories and all, normally they will not clean with the cleaning agents. Simply they are using the uh, some Nirma powder and all this thing, or the where the cleaning agent they are not used. They are already demonstrated the cleaning agents for the particular areas. Like that, you have to see that cleaning agents to be used, not for the 501 bar or the rinse soap unused and all. I'm sorry to tell you all these things. The rotating cleaning schedules, we have to rotate the people. One of the employee team of welfare department having divided into four sections. 1 week they have cleaned the urinals and bathroom. The same team will be going to the next week in other plant areas. Next week is some glasses. Next week is some areas. Like this, they have to a job rotation will be taken care of by the employees. It will be Definitely it will be helpful for the employees to feel healthy and effectively they are doing the work. Deep cleaning protocols also important. Implement periodic deep cleaning procedures, high traffic areas, hard to reach spots, maintaining high level hygiene. Here, one of the areas where the disposal areas are there, where the waste material is keeping a long time not to remove. For example, biomedical waste within 48 hours, it will be removed from the industry within 48 hours. That is deep cleaning protocol you have to maintain. You have to stick and adhere to the biomedical waste handling rules. And apart from this, you are having what is called the hazardous waste management handling. As per this, you cannot keep beyond 90 days in your organization of the used oil or used cotton waste. Normally used oil where the collected what is called lubricant oil, if the machines that we call as a used oil as per the consent for operation order will be mentioned. This much of liters per annum will be taken care of. It will be authorized to dispose the uh, within 90 days. Beyond 90 days, we cannot keep the used oil or the hazardous waste in our organization as per the Factories Act and factories rules also. Clear job employee assignment is also very important. Clear job description, training and education. Here the clear job description definitely the welfare department will be taken care of, and planning and administration or HR department will be given to the employees job description, job evaluation, job specifications and all. It will be taken care of. But apart from this, the SOP also will be taken care of to employee adhere to complete the assigned area and tasks. Training and education. Training is everybody knows what is education here is. Whether the trained people are implemented their training contents are using in their process areas or maintenance areas or not, that way we have to take a feedback from the respective heads of departments whether the employee is in this year is attended so and so programs, what is his performance in their activities. They have to The HR department has to take the feedback from the respective heads. If you get the positive feedback from the employees, that means your dedication during the training will be effective. That's what mean by educative. That how the employees implementing in their respective areas in a best manner. That is called education. That's not the MCOM or BCom or BSc or MSc or engineering and all. The training and education combined means how the training will be taken care of, whether the employee is implementing adherent to the training contents or not, that have to see the by taking the feedback from the HODs. Inspection and checklist also will be taken care of. regular inspections, detailed checklist. Everybody knows about this. And the benefits of good housekeeping, improved hygiene and health, and the enhanced safety, and the increased productivity, positive image, and reduced the maintenance cost will be taken down. Apart from this, is already knows about all these things. I cannot elaborate all these things. Improved hygiene and health, health and safety and all, increased productivity. Because once you encourage the organizational culture in a space manner during the plan design, housekeeping will be plandy. That's why some of the organizations are very planly designed, sir. Very uh, there is no conducive freedoms are there. Very congested place are there. Very atmosphere is good and breathing is good and the exhaust fans are there. So like this, we have to tell the about the organization. They are planly organized the plant layout and design. Like this, we will tell the organizations where they have taken the all the above steps what we discussed. Role of preventive maintenance in safety, health, importance of the standards and codes of practice for plant and equipment. So the not only the all the maintenance or the layout and all, after the erection, we have to maintain the same style of the what the initial stage is there, that we have to maintain the same tempo, same cleaning methods, claim practices of the safety as well as the housekeeping and all. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in safety and health proactively, identifying the addressing the potential hazards. Definitely, during the initial only potential hazards associated with the plant and equipment, minimizing the risk of accident by providing the controls, and injuries by ensuring the machinery operators properly through regular inspections and maintenance, thus creating a safe working environment. So when you maintain all these things, definitely the preventive maintenance is disciplinely and culture-wise excellent is there. While standards and the codes of practices provide a framework, if you maintain the what the organization is prescribed for or subscribed the standards that they have to follow as per the legal requirements. While standards and codes of practices provide, like for example, codes of practices here is standards means biomedical waste or the hazardous waste management handling rules, the Factories Act, like this, there's some standards are there. And also codes of practice mean dress code, or the punching machines is there, or attendance system is there. Some codes of practice depending upon the organizational culture you have to provide. Definitely it will be consistent effective maintenance procedures, ensuring that that makes sure that all equipment is maintained to a recognizably safe level. That's important. Ultimately what the consent is telling, the preventive maintenance, a disciplinary schedule will be have. For example, key points about the preventive maintenance and safety, agile identification will be studied, reduced equipment failures, compliance with our regulations, employee safety awareness, and the optimized performance also will be taken care of, and the importance of standard and codes. These are the key points about the preventive maintenance. As identification, we have to every preventive maintenance, depending upon the equipment, overhauling, or the changing, or the renewal, or rewinding, or the cleaning. We have to take the see that the hazard identification risk assessment, ARA, or HIRA, or the HAJAB to be taken care of by all organizations. If you see that definitely the preventive maintenance in disciplined manner like this, definitely the second will be happen, reduce the equipment failures. Definitely, normally the preventive maintenance having the quarterly schedule is there. For example, one equipment, they once take the January 5th of 2025 taken the preventive maintenance of one equipment. When the frequency of the preventive maintenance is 3 months is there, it beyond before March 5th, it should not be failure. It should not be breakdown due to that equipment failure. That is the preventive maintenance discipline. That is the preventive maintenance checklist. That is the preventive maintenance. The guy who is attending the preventive maintenance schedule by adhering to all the safety practices provided by the organization. Before January 5th to March 5th, 3 months is there. Before that, any tripping is there. That means either your preventive maintenance will frequency reduced, or the safety checklist has to be modified, or the shortcuts will be maybe avoided. Like this, many things will be coming during investigation of the after the breakdown attended and all this thing. Compliance with regulations. Definitely, you have to comply biomedical waste handling rules, hazardous waste management handling rules. For example, the biomedical waste within 48 hours, all biomedical waste should be taken by the EVP technology, where the incineration will be taken care of. The truck will be coming to your OC. They will weightage will be taken care of and then according to listed out there, and then they will be taken to the incineration site.